Price: 4,900 to 7,200 Saudi riyals, depending on storage. Colors: black titanium, white titanium, natural titanium, desert titanium. Capacity options: 256 gigabytes, 512 gigabytes, 1 terabyte. Display: 6.9-inch Super Retina XDR OLED. Performance: Apple A18 Pro chip, 6-core CPU, 6-core GPU, 16-core neural engine. Cameras: rear cameras, 48-megapixel main camera, plus 12-megapixel 2x telephoto, plus 48-megapixel ultra-wide, plus 12-megapixel 5x telephoto. Front camera: 12-megapixel true depth with autofocus, night mode. Battery: up to 33 hours video playback, USB-C charging, MagSafe wireless charging, fast charging supported. Summary: the iPhone 16 Pro Max is Apple's most advanced flagship yet, featuring a massive 6.9-inch Super Retina XDR display, the powerful A18 Pro chip, and a next-gen camera system with 5x telephoto zoom. With up to 33 hours of video playback and premium titanium build, it delivers top performance, durability, and style. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss our latest updates on tech, reviews, and specifications.